Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dara Sunil Kumar. Today we will see one of the important topic for our upcoming exams in this 2022-23 year. Whether it may be RBI, ECGC or all the exams of IBPS and also SBI, LIC for this. So we will see here National Family Health Survey NFHS 5 2019 to 21. So here we are seeing that total fertility rate, that is children per woman, it is 2, and the total fertility rate replacement level it is 2.1, and sex ratio at birth females per 1000 males it is 929, and adult sex ratio it is 1020. And next is infant mortality rate, that is calculated per 1000 live births, it is 35.2. and also under 5 mortality rate, it is according to this survey, under 5 mortality rate is 41.9. and institutional birth is 88.6 percentage. So these are expressed in percentage. And other one is pregnant women, that is 15 to 49 years of age who are suffering with anemic, it is 52.2 percentage of the women in this age bracket, that is 15 to 49, they are suffering with anemic. And another criteria is population with improved sanitation facility. So in India, 70.2 percentage of the population as having improved sanitation facility. And next one, that is 10th one, is households using clean energy fuel for cooking. So it is 58.6 percentage of the people in India is using clean energy fuel for cooking. Next, according to this survey, households electricity, it is 96.8 percentage. And another one of the important factor is life expectancy at birth. So life expectancy at birth is 69.4 years. Next, so life expectancy at birth, it is lowest in the Chhattisgarh. If you see, the lowest life expectancy at birth is recorded at Chhattisgarh, it is 65.2 years, whereas the highest life expectancy at birth is recorded at Kerala and Delhi. So Kerala and Delhi has highest life expectancy at birth, that is 75.3 years. 75.3 years. And if you see this life expectancy at birth for urban, it is 72.6 years, whereas for rural it is 68 years. Whereas for males, if you see the life expectancy at birth for males, it is 68.2 years, whereas for females the life expectancy at birth is 70.7 years, except Bihar and Jharkhand. So the females in India are living more compared to the males, except in the states of Bihar and Jharkhand. So these are the important ones from the NFHS survey, which we may get in the upcoming exams for this 2022-23 academic year. So thank you for watching my video.